A non-diabetic cannot fathom the shock a diabetic has when he receives the news. Is this anything you're dealing through right now? It's no longer surprising, since a CDC survey indicated that more than 100 million individuals in the United States are diabetes or pre-diabetic. Yes, diabetes medication is highly costly and just alleviates the symptoms. However, it is not the end of the world for you. Here is a program called Diabetes Freedom that claims to alleviate you of serious diabetes symptoms and even reverse your insulin resistance once you use it right. However, given the prevalence of healthcare programs these days, we find it difficult to believe their assurances. As a result, we've chosen to investigate the diabetes program in depth in order to uncover the truth behind its promises. Diabetes Freedom is a 2-month program that uses a controlled diet and activity to help you remove fatty deposits from your body. The fatty deposits around your pancreas can aggravate diabetes symptoms caused by high blood glucose levels. In allopathic medicine, the only option to regulate these symptoms is to take multiple medications on a regular basis. You must also refrain from eating your favorite desserts, which is incredibly tough for those who enjoy sweets. High blood sugar levels can injure your kidneys and liver, as well as cause poor cognitive function. Furthermore, having diabetes is a dangerous area to be in. Apart from managing glucose levels, you must continually control insulin. Diabetes Freedom includes multiple video tutorials that show you how to use natural approaches to reduce toxins, increase pancreatic function, control food cravings, and more. You'll also learn about a variety of power drinks that can help you cut your sugar intake while also boosting adipose tissue, which is important for type 2 diabetics, as we'll cover later. There are also tutorials targeted to burning fat and assisting you with diet control. All of these small solutions add up to a larger goal of alleviating your diabetes symptoms and providing you with a natural strategy to manage it. What is the purpose of Diabetes Freedom? Diabetes Freedom is an online training program that teaches you how to use natural methods to alleviate diabetes symptoms. The program's focus is to provide users with a natural way to manage their insulin, sugar, and other glucose levels. George Riley's program helps to fix the problem by regulating meal timings, nutrition, and raising your metabolism. Fatty deposits surrounding the pancreas can be greatly reduced by eating a diet rich in natural components. The strategy is divided into 3 steps, a nutrition plan for 2 months. For type 2 diabetics, there are 7 metabolic guidelines to enhance brown fat. There are a few tricks to properly timing your meals. The program also includes a variety of delectable recipes that are suitable for diabetics. The video courses also provide a wealth of diabetes-related information that will keep you motivated. Half of the problem can be solved by better understanding your disease. Doctors won't tell you anything about diabetes because they have to sell you pricey meds and bill you for treatments. As a result, this is a solution that will be much less stressful on your wallet and body, and may prove to be extremely useful, particularly in the early stages. However, we cannot trust that the program provides trustworthy content without knowing who created it. As a result, we performed some research on the program's inventor, and it was well read. Who is the mastermind behind Diabetes Freedom? George Riley isn't a well-known physician or a dietitian. You might be shocked to learn how he came up with a method that has helped thousands of people. George, on the other hand, is a former type 2 diabetic. Despite taking multiple drugs to alleviate his symptoms, his situation was getting worse. It all came to a head when he had to have his leg amputated. It was at this point that he began looking for a new doctor. And his second doctor told him a lot of things. For starts, he discovered a list of the pill's side effects on his overall health. He also discovered that diabetes can be managed in a natural side effect-free manner. To flush fatty deposits, which are the primary cause of diabetes symptoms, you must select particular meal timings and consume appropriate nourishment. George's health improved dramatically, and his symptoms haven't worsened in the 2 months since he began utilizing the program he and his doctor devised. George chose to launch his program after witnessing the world's struggle with diabetes. And, because he is a patient, he has been offering substantial discounts in order to guarantee that the program reaches as many people as possible. Click the link in the video description to discover more about George's story. I opted to purchase the program for a friend so that I could be certain of its contents and delivery. We were able to acquire entire access to its contents as a result of this. The rapid and step-by-step presentation was the first thing that struck me. It is one of the few programs that uses easy-to-understand videos to deliver its curriculum. As a result, you won't have to spend hours digging through the wreckage to get the information. What's more exciting is that some of the videos are as little as 2 minutes long. That may not appear to be a good thing, but it is. I've seen many of applications spend 40 minutes of the 45-minute tutorials providing useless stuff to you. So, what's the point? In my opinion, a brief but clear remark from an expert is sufficient to convey the point. The program is broken down into 3 sections. The 3-step strategy focuses on distinct areas of the plan, and integrating all 3 will get you to the end of the project's 2-month trip. Step 1. The Nutrition Plan for Pancreas Restart. Diabetes Freedom's initial program is a 5-video set that covers the following topics. Breakfast shakes designed to break down white fat cells. To incinerate fat around the pancreas and liver, eat these meals. List of carbs to eat in order to feel full. Teas to help you lose weight and curb your cravings. Spices to take before meals to reduce blood sugar levels by 30%. The contents of this step are designed to improve the function of your pancreas as well as the overall health of your body. It accomplishes this by allowing particular vitamins and nutrients to enter the body, which kill fat-bearing white fat cells. These white cells obstruct the body's normal functions, limiting the pancreas' ability to function. The white fat cells will immediately seek a way out as the pancreas recovers itself through the meals. As a result, your blood sugar levels stabilize, and you no longer have any symptoms as a result. Step 2. The Blueprint for Improving Metabolism. A faster metabolism can help the body work more efficiently, allowing it to absorb nutrients and eliminate toxins more quickly. A better metabolism also improves the efficiency of the internal organs. This package's contents are as follows. A digital version of a 2-minute fat-burning routine is available. At home, the workout plan is simple to follow. This section is mostly concerned with increasing the formation of adipose tissues. Brown fat cells, unlike fat white cells, are healthier and do not accumulate excessively in the body. The part tells you how to increase adipose tissue development and eradicate extra fat white cells. The elimination of fat white cells is a critical step in the treatment of diabetes symptoms. The videos also includes a recipe for power drinks that can help you cut down on sugar intake and cravings. Step 3. Meal Scheduling Guidelines. We'd learn how to properly time our meals to control our blood glucose levels in an engaging tutorial. We always heard that, but choose to disregard it. According to studies, the timing of our meals has a significant impact on our system's glucose production. This section contains the following items. There are some simple breakfast tips and methods that can help you prevent cravings and stay active all day. A list of snacks and desserts to make is also included. We've all experienced how difficult it is to resist sugar cravings. People with diabetes, on the other hand, would feel the anguish of carbohydrate restriction. After all, most of us don't consume a single meal that isn't carb-based. But, in this case, we're attempting to keep it to a minimum. This segment, on the other hand, is a lifesaver for diabetic foodies. It includes some delectable meals prepared by skilled chefs in collaboration with a dietitian. Excitingly, you'll also find some desserts that you may enjoy every now and then, which will come as a comfort to individuals with a sweet tooth. In addition, the ingredients in these recipes contain a variety of fat markers that cause the body to burn fat quickly. Losing weight can also help you maintain control over your appetite, heart rate, and blood sugar levels. Who should use Diabetes Freedom? This program should be reviewed by anyone who has been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. That is true regardless of their gender, age, or other factors. It is always best to use natural drugs and cures. Furthermore, this resource consists solely of meal recipes. With this approach, there is no chance of side effects. Furthermore, persons who have been having financial difficulties after being diagnosed with diabetes should attempt this program. It's a natural solution, just like blood balance formula, and the ingredients in these recipes are ones you'd find in your own kitchen. This method should also be tried by elderly persons who are at risk of side effects. The solution is worth a chance at $37, especially if your body isn't ready to take artificial medications. What is the best way to buy Diabetes Freedom? The Diabetes Freedom program is available for $37 on their official website. Check the link in the video description. The ebook is only accessible on their own website, and you don't want to get caught up in Amazon's similar-sounding items. Along with the thorough instructional, it includes 3 bonus programs, including 33 power foods and a fat-burning plan. A 60-day money-back guarantee is also included with the program. However, you must utilize it for at least 45 days before filing a complaint. You can contact their customer support at any moment to request a refund. However, the reimbursement will be credited to your account in less than 48 hours. Diabetes is far too hazardous to be taken lightly, and the longer it is left untreated, the more it will affect the body. Diabetes freedom is a simple method for achieving diabetes freedom. Take advantage of it right away.